so we are on page. Yesterday we did the vocabulary for page 294. So perform and risk. Okay, right? We did perform and risk yesterday. Okay, good. So now we're jumping into this page 295. Okay. All right, it says, and I want you guys to follow along with me. His name is Aaron, but thousands of fans know him as Wills. Wills is an extreme athlete. He is the first extreme athlete to complete a backflip in a wheelchair. What's the reaction from spectators who see him perform? Awesome. All over the world, athletes are pushing themselves in extreme sports. They're diving off scary high cliffs. They are jumping from building to building. They risk injury to do stunts that seem impossible and unsafe. Why? What makes athletes so determined to participate? Here are 3 reasons. Feeling the rush. Extreme athletes talk about the unforgettable adrenaline rush they get. It happens when they complete a stunt successfully. It's a big part of their motivation. After I've done an unbelievable flip, my heart is pounding. My blood is racing. I feel incredibly alive, says one boarder. Okay, the second reason, pushing it to the edge. Nothing motivates an extreme athlete more than hearing it can't be done. Extreme athletes pride themselves on tackling the impossible. The third reason, getting crazy fit. These sports are no joke. They take a lot of skill. They take agility. Training is a requirement. Extreme athletes are fit. They are ripped. They have to be. For many athletes, these sports are worth the risk. I've broken my elbow 3 times, Will says. I've hit my head hard enough to see stars, even in my helmet. I've strained all the muscles in my back. Still, I keep going. We can't all be extreme athletes, but we can all be fans. For athletes and fans, extreme sports are a thrill. Okay, so the questions we need to answer. What does the author want readers to know about extreme sports? What do you guys think? What does the author want readers to know about extreme sports? Yeah, I want you to say it out loud. Okay, to know how they work and why. Kind of the big one is why, right? Yeah, they gave us these 3 reasons why. Okay, so he wants us to know why people do it. Okay, why people go and why do they go out and risk their lives doing these things? Okay, so go ahead and put that down. Put down what you think. Put your thoughts. Okay, identify central ideas and details. Circle 3 headings in the text that describe the appeal of extreme sports. Why do athletes participate in extreme sports? Write 1 reason. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to circle the 3 headings, right? Okay, so the 3 headings, what do you guys think they would be? Feeling the rush. Then what? Pushing it to the edge. Then getting crazy fit. So you circle those. Okay, now you need to write your answer to why do you think athletes participate in extreme sports? Write 1 reason. Why do athletes participate in extreme sports? Write 1 reason. Okay, then down below, underline a detail that supports the reason you gave. Write the detail here. You're going to underline a detail of why you think athletes extreme or participate in extreme sports. Okay, and then you're going to write the detail down here. Okay. Then down below on the very bottom, okay, we're going to look at these words and you need to identify the root word and then you need to put the meaning over here based on the prefix or suffix. Okay? So in number 2, the root word would be, do you guys have any idea? I know some of you are still writing. Huh? Success, right? Okay, so you would write success in this first line, and then you're going to write what you think successfully means over here on this line. Okay? All right, and then number 3 would be require, and then your definition would be what you think requirement means. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get those finished up. We'll just do that one page, page 295, get that one turned in today.